Hey guys, welcome to Digit.n. Today we have with us the Beyerdynamic Byrd in-ear headphones. What we have here is the black variant. Now let's open up the box. On the sides of the box you see the Beyerdynamic logo and branding. Inside the box, you have the headphones themselves and an extra set of ear tips. Now, coming to the earphones. The ear tips on these earphones are pretty ergonomic. The silicone ear tips are bell-shaped unlike the standard round-shaped ear tips. It's got the Beyerdynamic logo on the sides. These earphones have a frequency response of 15 to 21,000 Hz. They provide a nominal impedance of 18 ohms. These earphones do not come with a set of ear wings. Now coming down. These earphones do not have a microphone whatsoever. The cable on these earphones is 1.2 meters long. They are not braided either. However, it seems tough and of a high build quality. Coming down, the 3.5 mm headphone plug is gold plated as well. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Beyerdynamic Byrd in-ear headphones. Thanks for watching and goodbye.